Welcome to Studyopia. Today we will learn respecting regional differences. What are the topics we will cover in this chapter? First of all, we'll cover location of Andaman and Nicobar, art and architecture of Andaman and Nicobar group of islands, food, dresses, religion, dance and music, and languages in Andaman and Nicobar. So let's begin with the importance of respecting regional differences. First, we need to know what is regional differences. See, in a township of Punjab, people belonging to different castes and religions live in harmony. There are no signs of any discriminations among different communities. They speak different languages, they celebrate different festivals together. People wear different kinds of dresses, and most people here have different food habits as well. India is a vast country, People living in different regions of our country have different food habits, dresses, languages, religions, custom and traditions. So the food habits of the people of a region depends upon the location, climate, crops grown. The understanding and respect for the food habits, languages, culture, faiths and beliefs of others have made Indian culture rich and unique. So from this chapter, we will understand that what are the significance of respecting regional differences and what is regional differences. I hope you have already understood by my previous explanation. So let's come to the learning objectives. So the physical and cultural features makes India a unique place. About different communities, their religion, culture, faith, beliefs, respecting regional diversity, regional differences, and the reasons which make India a great tourist destination. So without wasting time, let's move into Andaman and Nicobar Island. So as the map given, you can see that Andaman and Nicobar is a group of 572 islands on Bay of Bengal, but only 32 among these 572 islands are mainly inhabited by 6 groups of tribals. What are these tribals? These tribals are Great Andamanis, Jaroas, Sentinels, Onges, Nicobaris and Shompenes. These are the pictures given of the mentioned tribal communities. So, even today, they maintain their customs and traditions and live in harmony with nature. Art and architecture. In olden times, the islanders lived in caves, tree houses, or thatched huts. Some buildings were made on the islands during the British rule. The cellular jail is the most well-known building as many freedom fighters were jailed here. The popular crafts of Andaman and Nicobar Islands are palm mats, wooden showpieces, cane and bamboo wall hangings. You can see that the art craft works pictures I have clubbed over in this slide, and a picture of cellular jail. The architecture of cellular jail has also been clubbed in this slide. Let's move into the food habit of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. In earlier times, all tribals of these islands were hunters. Hence, there was no particular form of cuisine, but now seafood is quite popular here, like fish, prawns, crabs, lobsters, etc. The increasing touch of the islands with the rest of India has popularized a great variety of food items here. And one can easily find North Indian, Bengali food delicacies, South Indian food delicacies common because so many people from Bengal, South India have migrated to Andaman and Nicobar for their bread and butter. Rice is the staple diet of the islanders, and the main crops grown here are pulses, oilseeds, vegetables, coconut, arecanut, mango, sapota, oranges, banana, papaya, pineapple, and cashew nuts. Spices like pepper, clove, nutmeg, cinnamon form an important ingredients of the food of islands. Religion. The religion of the inhabitants Andamans and Nicobar Islands is called the animism. The tribals believed that in earlier times their deity Paluga resided at the highest mountain peak of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, the Saddle Peak. But now the deity lives higher up in the sky, and the followers of animism believes in the soul's ghosts and spirits. Dance and music. The islanders celebrate most Indian festivals like Durga Puja, Pongal, Panguni Uthiram, Onam, Mahashivratri, Janmashtami, Holi, Diwali, Christmas, Good Friday with dance and music. Nicobari dance is the traditional dance of Andaman and Nicobar. It can be seen during the Osheri feast, which is known as Peak Festival. Andamanis are fond of their traditional music. The dancers move gracefully to the music and songs of the Onge tribe. Dress. In earlier times, the tribals did not wear clothes. The Sentinelese tribe does not wear clothes even now. The Shompans use clothes only below their waist, but many tribals have now started wearing clothes, and the Jarawas use lot of jewelry to adorn their bodies. Their necklaces and arm and waistbands are made of shells and bark of trees. Languages. The most common language in Andaman and Nicobar Islands are Hindi and English today. People also speak Bengali, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Punjabi, Marathi, Kannada, Oriya, Gujarati, and Karen. Now, what is Karen? Karen language has a Burmese script and alphabets. The tribals have their own dialects, only the Nicobarese dialect has a script of its own. The harmonious blend of different religions and languages, ethnic groups has made the Andaman and Nicobar Islands famous as a mini India. To this for today, and in our next video we'll continue with Rajasthan as a great tourist destination of India. Till then, keep studying, and if there is any doubt in this chapter of NCRT Class 5 Social Science, do comment us through the comment section down below. Thank you.